Hello buddy, we meet again on my YouTube channel Logokamu. Before that, please subscribe my channel, and this time I will give a tutorial about how to upload your logo design and get approval from Graphicriver site. Please check my video below. Okay, this is my logo designs. I have 3 folders here. The first folder is document folder. This is information what fonts I use in my logo. Folder number 2, I have a preview, JPEG files and PNG file, transparent. And number 3, I have preview for upload to Graphicriver site, and thumbnail. I have 2 master logo, Adobe Illustrator CC and EPS 10. We convert for file to the zip file. Okay, and bring the zip file to the upload folders. The next, we go to Graphicriver site. It's slowly, I'm sorry, my connection is bad. Okay, choose the upload items, logo templates here. And upload your file in upload folders. Okay, select all and yes, open. Fill in the descriptions your design. Yeah, fill in the title of your logo designs here. Okay, thumbnail, zip. The category, choose the category your designs, yes, and file type your designs, resizable, and fill in the tags in this column according to logo your upload, so that buyer easily find your logo. Fill in the price of your logo designs and say thank you for your reviewers, for Graphicriver reviewers. Check and please check all. This is right. Okay, good. Upload. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait until you get notification via email to your email. The estimate time reviews in 1 to 5 days. Can also be more depending on the number of design that enter the Graphicriver site. If you get approval, you will get an email like this. This is approval from Graphicriver. This is the link your designs. We check my portfolio designs. And yeah, my design is successful. Congratulations, you have successful uploaded your logo design, and your logo is ready to be bought by the buyer on the Graphicriver site. So this is my tutorial video about how to get a profile, uploading and get a profile in Graphicriver site. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will give you another tutorial next time. Thank you for watching my video, and greeting from Logokamu, Indonesia. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next